We seem to have anomalies everywhere. So this is the kind where things are inside of them and you'll see them moving around. They manifest something, I don't know what the heck it is. But that's the ones where it looks like things are always moving around inside. So I'll look at it for a minute or two. Pour Lavere. There they are. So is that a reflection? Well, that would have to mean something like that exists if it's reflecting it. So I think this is whatever it is. Whatever it is. But there is another one coming up. It's coming up, not going down, so we know it's not water on a webcam. It's right there. Just started coming up. Pretty wild. Then again, I guess it could be a figment. And I'll upload it and it's nothing but boats in a clear sky, right? Sure. So I think there's something happening over there too. See that? It looked like a little bit of lightning. Look at that. But it's not. Some kind of energy. Look at that. One over the, look over there. But look at that one too. That's highly unusual energy. It's gotta be. Alright, how many minutes do we have? Ooh, too many. Is it going to move to the light? Ooh, the light color changed. I wonder if they had anything to do with that. Alright. We're going to take off. Maybe. Oh, they're changing the light again. Ooh, there's a little one. Look at the little one. I never saw a little one before. They're usually all the same size, or just different types. That's crazy. It's a lot wigglier too. Oh my goodness. It's real wiggly. Moisture, energy, and whatever's in the air. Whoa, what was that? I wonder if it'll happen again. That one's got something green on it. Never saw a little one before. That is so bizarre. Alright, have we had enough of this shit or what?